Welcome back everyone, from simplification straight to factorization. So this will actually be the series, will be the part of the series that actually covers factorization, which as I said, it's also what I feel like it's like simplification are things of which I feel like they are very crucial when you're doing math. So in this video I'll actually give you what is factorization, and then after that I'll actually show you why factorization, meaning like I'll give you the importance of factorization. So what is factorization? Again, I draw the definition from its definition. Wait, I'm drawing like the definition from its word. So factorization is actually putting things in their factored form. Factored form meaning is like maybe let's just say, instead of me having like x squared plus something, I'll rather have maybe x plus 1. Maybe this will be helpful if maybe I'm actually trying to solve for certain intercepts. So that's what I mean, you actually put things in their factored form. So what is factorization? It can be also thought of as the reverse of simplification, because from simplification you actually take maybe two brackets and then we make them something long, but in factorization we take the something long and then we put it maybe into two brackets, if maybe not three, depending on how the complexity of whatever you're getting. So why factorization? Oh well, I can answer that in a lot of ways, but I'll just maybe give you some sort of like another picture, because I feel maybe like pictures pictures convey a message much better than words. So this is actually the same thing. As you all know, if you've got x squared plus 1, you'll actually x squared plus 2x plus 1 is the same as x plus 1 x plus 1. I can actually prove it quick and then say x plus 1 times x plus 1. Then I apply that rule, I'll get x squared plus x plus 1, which is actually the same thing as this thing. But if you have it in this form, as you see, like you can really see that you can actually simplify this thing further. But if you have it this thing, you can actually see that okay, if I have x plus 1 and another x plus 1, you'll actually see that okay, x plus 1 actually goes into x plus 1 once. So actually you can actually take this thing, maybe square it, but it's the same thing. I just decided to separate the brackets because I just wanted to emphasize the fact that they will cancel. So this is what actually you will have, is like x plus 1. But if it's in this form, you actually wouldn't know much until you actually had factored it out. So that's why in some cases, whenever you are actually working out maybe a certain sum, and you'll actually realize that actually at the end of the day you maybe need to put it in some factored form. So if it's in this form, you actually realize that there's not really much you can do about it. But once you go to this form, you actually see that okay, there's cancellation and then your final answer is 1. So this is just one of the simple ways of, it's just one of the ways of which factorization makes your life simple. So I'll just discuss I'll just discuss the theory afterwards as to how maybe you can simplify. Enjoy the rest of your day.